Golf Charlie Sierra, RNP, B-Box.
Golf Charlie Sierra, roger, thank you. Traffic 3 miles east of your position, southwestbound indicating 1,800 feet. I'll give you a further update as you establish it bound.
He called the other traffic at 1800, so I would have just highlighted to him that we're descending to 2000, 1025.
I previously mentioned traffic, right 1 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, should pass down your right side, indicating 1,800 feet.
Yeah, we'll contact the traffic, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Golf Charlie Sierra, roger, thank you. I have your missed approach and correction, your go-around instructions when ready.
Stand by, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Roger.
5 miles west from Summit Delta.
November 7 Mike Delta, roger, thanks. Contact Cambridge Tower for join 125.905.
Be careful.
125.905, thanks, Summit Delta.
Ready for the missed approach instructions, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Golf Charlie Sierra, roger, stand by 1.
Careful, you're not there yet. You cannot descend until you get to the point.
Okay.
So put the power back on, go back up to 2000. Turn left now, but not until you're passing the point can you fly with the cleared airspace.
Golf Charlie Sierra, confirm you're ready to copy instructions.
Ready to copy, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Golf Sierra, Alpha Charlie Sierra, after missed approach, climb straight ahead to altitude 2,000 feet.
After the missed approach, climb to altitude, straight ahead to altitude 2,000 feet, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Golf Charlie Sierra, correct.
Set 22, 2300 so you're not descending. Set 1600, get back up there. You've got to correct. You're now outside the limits, so you'd have to start the RNP again. So keeping your chart there is very bad. I would put it on Velcro and have it there.
Sierra, reset squawk 6177, procedural service.
6177, procedural service, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Golf Charlie Sierra, thanks. 4.5 from touchdown, contact Cambridge Tower 125.905.
125.905, Golf Charlie Sierra.
Fly the aircraft.
Yeah. I'm outside my parameters. Would you like me to start again?
Nope, carry on.
Send it. 3 miles, I need to be at 1040.
November 7 Mike Delta, continue down the runway, then left at Bravo. You can park outside hangar 22.
Left of Bravo to hangar 22, north Mike Delta.
You allowed the transponder and the radio to just totally take you away from flying.
Perfect, thanks. North Mike Delta.
Prioritise flying.
Speak to you soon.
Tower Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Sierra D83.
Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Sierra, Cambridge Tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 05, you're at number 1, one aircraft just vacating ahead.
Continue approach Golf Charlie Sierra.
What D are you at? That says 2.5, that says 2.
GPS.
Golf Charlie Sierra, runway 05, wind 07,
You called D8.
Do D3.
Low approach.
Okay.
Clear low approach Golf Charlie Sierra. Two miles 50. Still a bit high.
Golf with Kilo, make 2 left-hand orbits in your present position.
Trouble is they're clearing, you've got your London score, they're clearing you for the London IFR, so we haven't got time to do it again because they're giving us an IFR clearance.
Fine.
It would irritate them if we said we want to do it again for practice.
Fine. Okay. So, on this I would land, approach.
Well, you're showing 4 whites and you're high, so I would not say land on that one, I'd say power. So you want to pitch up 7.5 to 10, not more than 10.
Golf November Bravo 2, expect to be able to get us away soon. Golf November 8, about 30 seconds.
Do we do after takeoff checks?
Yep. Flaps up, engine parameters, landing light.
North Mike Delta, we'll push back behind the white lines in a second. It's possible to request DPR for a flight to Ostend, Echo Bravo, Oscar Sierra, leaving at 11:30 Zulu.
November 7 Mike Delta, that's all understood, thank you. Yep, we've got your flight plan out to Ostend for 11:30.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
Golf Charlie Sierra on the missed approach.
Golf Charlie Sierra, roger. Golf November Bravo via Charlie, backtrack runway 05.
Charlie, backtrack 05, Golf November Bravo.